This guide will teach you how to install Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11 without any errors. We are making this tutorial on Windows 11. You can follow the given instructions for Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. The process is pretty the same. Epic Games Launcher is very popular among game aficionados for the availability of high-end and cool games. It features games ranging from vintage to the latest modern games. It would not be wrong to say that Epic Games Launcher is notorious for its errors. You may come across a series of annoying errors stopping you from playing your favorite games. The reason behind annoying errors is that required additional components are not installed on your PC. The solution to all problems is installing required additional programs. Once you correctly install them, you will no longer come across any errors. Epic Games Launcher requires two programs. You need to install C++ Redistributable and .NET Framework Runtime. If any of these required programs are missing, the Epic Games Launcher will not work at all. If you have installed and still face errors, possibly some files of these programs are missing or have become corrupted. Accidental deletion, or viruses, malware could be the reason for it. To avoid any possible errors, we recommend manually installing C++ Redistributable and .NET Framework before you install the Epic Game Launcher. You can download C++ Redistributable 2015 to 2019 from the description, and then install it. Download Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5 offline installer from the description, and install. According to the System Requirements page, it requires 2 GB of RAM, but the reality is quite the opposite. 2 GB of RAM goes well if you use Windows 7, but 2 GB is not enough to use Epic Games Launcher on Windows 10 and Windows 11, as well as, it will not work smoothly on conventional hard disks. 2 GB of RAM is not enough for Windows 11, or Windows 10 itself. The combination of 8 GB RAM and SSD brings satisfactory results on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Epic Games Launcher will not hang, crash, and perform sluggishly. Epic Games Launcher is a web-based game launcher. It needs internet connectivity to download, install, update games and verify game data. You have to be connected to the internet all the time. Keep this fact in mind while using limited data internet on your device. Before you download the Epic Games Launcher for Windows, you have to create an account on Epic Games. To create an account, go to epicgames.com/id/register. You may find the link in the description box. We recommend using the sign up with email option. You can also use Facebook, Apple, Xbox, and other options for account creation. After account creation, go to the home page, and click on the download button, to begin downloading the Epic Games Launcher. Once the download completes, install Epic Games Launcher, launch the installer. From here, you can change the installation directory. If drive C is low on disk space, click Install. The installation is almost complete. You will now have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes to let it download updates. After updates are done, sign into your account on the Epic Games Launcher. You can now install and play games available on Epic Games. Please keep in mind, Epic Games requires additional disk space for games you install. We hope you find this tutorial informative and useful. Hopefully, you have managed to install Epic Games Launcher on your copy of Windows 11. Contact us if you are still getting any errors. You may use the comment box. Our team will do its best to help you. The comment section can be used to leave questions, suggestions, and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.